Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can recover your Duolingo password. First, launch your Duolingo app on your screen. And on the second option on the bottom that says, I already have an account, so tap that option. So we have to enter our details. So simply type your email, and on the bottom that says forgot password, you have to tap on that option as well. So you have to enter your email address so that you can receive a link to reset your password. So you can simply type your email that is connected to your account in Duolingo and tap on the send email. So here it says Duolingo already sent an email in my mail. So let's check that option. And here we could see the mail from Duolingo. Tap on that. So we could see that there's a reset password option. Select that option. Here are three options you can open in browser. So here you can reset your password by entering your new password and tap on the reset password on the bottom. And here we could see guys, we have successfully resetted our password in Duolingo. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more upcoming uploads.